Hey there, folks. If you're looking to level up your marketing game or maybe even kickstart your career, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just for the pros, but also for young adults like you. Get ready because we're talking about the ABCs of email marketing. First thing first, what's email marketing and why is it important? Well, email marketing is like having a direct line to your audience. It's a powerful way for businesses to connect with customers, promote products, and build relationships. In fact, email marketing has an ROI of 42 to 1, which means you can earn $42 for every dollar spent. Now that's impressive. So let's break it down into bite-sized pieces. The first thing you need to do is build your email. It's like your VIP club. You can collect email through your website, social media, or events. Remember, it's not about quantity, but quality. You want people genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Next, you've got to create engaging emails. Think of this as your virtual browsers. They should have catchy subject line, friendly greetings, and content that speak to your audience. Whether it's promotions, updates, or newsletters, it should be relevant and valuable. When it comes to sending these emails, timing is everything. You don't want to spam your subscribers. It's best to set a schedule. You can even use email marketing platform that do this automatically. Plus, don't forget to make your emails mobile friendly because most folks read emails on their phones. Now that you've got the basics, let's take it up a notch with some advanced techniques. Personalization is key. Use your subscriber's name and send them personalized products recommendations based on their past interactions. It's like having a personal shopper in their inbox. Segmentation is another game changer. Don't send the same email to everyone. Divide your email list smaller groups based on their interests, location, or purchase history. Tailor your content for each segment and you will see a boost in engagement. Automation is where the real magic happens. You can set up automated email sequence that trigger based on your subscribers' actions. For example, if they've done their shopping cart, an automatic remember can, can be sent to nudge them to complete the purchase. With these advanced techniques, you're ready to take your email marketing game to the next level. But remember, email marketing is an evolving field, so stay curious, keep learning, and never stop experimenting. Your subscribers will thank you for it. And there you have it, a deeper dive into the world of email marketing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a time up and share it with your friend. Stay tuned for more awesome marketing tips and until then, happy emailing.